Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm doing an unboxing. It's my Galen leather order, and I got it a while back, like maybe a week, but I just didn't have a chance to open. So we're gonna open it together. And as always, they pack their stuff so lovely. And I believe what I got was just like a bunch of fountain pen cases because I just have my fountain pens everywhere. And if you saw my fountain pen chaotic video, then you know. So if you've never ordered from Galen Leather, they usually send you a little pouch like this, and they usually include like little amenities, like tea and things like that. Let's see what they sent this time. This is my second order from them. They include a little note, and then Apollo's Temple. I love this. And then a coupon, a little, this is, I believe, like in Istanbul, Turkey. So they give you a little Turkish evil eye, which I will definitely be reusing, and they give some information about the charm. And then they send you this delicious Turkish instant coffee and a little like hand, like a wet wipe, like a luxury refreshing towel. So it's just so cute. I love their little amenities package. So of course all this will be going into my Hobonichi scrapbook type situation I got going on. So let's start with the smallest one. So this is the undyed leather. I got like classics, so I got this one. I think is just brown, if I'm not mistaken, or black. It might be a notebook, I can't remember. I know this one is like a purple one, which I'm really excited to see, and then the nude one. Ah, it's so pretty. Look at that. Oh, it's a bit firmer. So I have this one, which is like the oiled leather, and I don't know the color. I'm so sorry. I think this is the Crazy Horse leather, but I don't know the name of the actual, like, the color. I'm gonna be really gentle with this because I want this to go into my Hobonichi. It's a really nice label. There you go. It's smaller than I thought, which is actually kind of nice because I can use this to like carry it around with me. It's got like a little secretarial pocket, and I haven't inked these, but I just want to see what they look like in here. These are no name, like cheapo ones from Amazon. And then I have a lammy, and I'll put the lammy in the middle. Oh, that's so pretty. I love that. I'm glad I got this undyed leather. I can't wait to see it age, and it smells so good, like a brand new pair of leather boots. So that's my case, my first little case, and this is the one I'm really excited about. Oh my goodness. I love it. Oh, this has a different colored label. Let me be careful. Make sure it doesn't break. Please don't break. Some of you might be like, girl, just rip it off. I really want to like keep it if I can. There you go. So it's got like a little bit of wrinkling, but overall it's a really pretty, smooth leather. Look at that. And then here it's got like a little pocket. And I'm going to decompress some of the ones in here because it's a little tight in here, even though it is made for 10. I'd like to keep some of my more expensive ones here, so like my vintage lavender for sure. I think I have my Raven. Yes, this one for sure. And these boxes, I need to just put them somewhere else. So I've got my Raven. I'll put the Raven here because it's a little bit thicker. I don't think I'll put a full 5 in here. What other ones do I want to put in here? I have a few downstairs, like my Lamy Diamond Point. So I think I will put one of those in here. And I'm debating putting my skeleton and my rainbow Skittles in here, but I don't think I will. There's nothing in here, right? No, these are for these guys. So what I'll do is I will make some space here with these. Put this one here. I'll put my little ones in here. How about that? My other little Banu. I have my Moon Man. And I have a few pens coming. So I think I'll take this one out because this one is just like a cheapo Jinhao. I think I'll put this one here, and I'll put this one here, and I will put this one here, and we'll just leave it like that so it's not too bulky. But so far I'm really loving the leather on this one. This one is more like there's a suede-ish feeling on this one. Also, look how it like buckles. It kind of got misshapen a little bit because I had like thick pens kind of bulked up in here. But yeah, I'm in love with this. This is so nice. And finally, I think this is an extra large pen case, which actually works out great because I have a few new pens coming, and by a few I mean a heck a lot. So this is a really dark green. I believe this is also like that crazy horse leather. It's kind of like that velourish leather. It's kind of hard to see the green in this lighting though. And I'm trying that again. Take this out as gently as possible. So I think this one is the 20. These boxes also are gorgeous, and they're very sturdy. So I'll be saving these for sure. They make great storage boxes for like your ink supplies. Also, I have these in here. So let's take a look and see. Yeah, so this is like the 20 case, so it has 10 on this side and 10 on this side, and this is what like that leather color kind of is, if it wasn't so like dark. But I'm sure with time, when you get scuffs and stuff, you could tell there's already some like oil marks and scuffing happening, and I love it. I love it when it gets all crazy. This is a little pen roll my sister brought me back from Italy. It's divine. It smells so good. But what I will definitely put in here is my Clio, my Bennu Clio. And these are pretty cheapo ones. I literally have almost the same of these two. I have a green and pink and like a yellowish and pink. So I'm gonna just put these here for now. And I don't think I'm ready. I know that sounds crazy, but I had shown you guys like my skeleton and my gravitas. I just don't think I'm ready to like take this. Well, I feel like this one I probably could. And make some space in here. Okay, I think this one I could. Should I just put my skeleton in here and bite the bullet? Oh, this is my Harry Potter Slytherin. I'll put this one in here for sure. It's perfect in here, actually. I really want to ink this one first. How pretty. It's got like the, it's not engraved, but it's got the snakes on it. So I think I will, make space here. Why is it sticky? Okay. Stunning. Absolutely stunning. Look at that. Okay. Alright, I guess I will put my skeleton, and then my other Harry Potter lammies will go in here. So I'm gonna put my skeleton as a standalone on this side. It's so pretty. I can't deal. Why is this stuck? Oh, there it goes. Look at it. Oh my goodness. It's just too beautiful. I'll put it right in the middle. So pretty. And the sticker, I think I'm gonna put it on my Hobonichi. I'll put it here with the jet pen stuff. And I've got my little bookmark. I think I'll leave this stuff in here though. But yeah, that's it. That's it for my fountain pen case haul. As you can see, I really like rainbow and sparkly ones. I'm not always good with names. If you didn't watch my fountain pen video, I would say that I'd link it, but I know I'll forget. Just go back a few videos and you will see it. So yeah, that's been your jet. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I am in love with my new cases, and I also love this case. I might, now that I'm seeing how it's like, I feel like although this is for 10, it's a bit much. So what I think I'll do is I'm just gonna pull these out and give this case a rest and let it breathe and kind of get it to straighten out some again because it's a little warped. So I'll just I'll kind of let it kind of sit there in the sun. And so in here, I could fit another baby pen. Oh no, I have all three here. Okay. Okay, we'll leave it. We'll leave it. Oh, I could put my Laban sticker right here. Cute. And then maybe in here we can put one of my moon men, or let's put the moon man because it's the perfect, it matches perfectly with this inside. And then in here I'll put the rest of these. I'll put this lammy here since that's a lammy, and I'll do my Twisbies here. And then my Banu and my Kawiko Sport. And that's it. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and call it a day here. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And I will catch you in the next one. Bye.